Do you know that if you watch this video till the end and follow the procedures as shown, you've learned to do your own anime videos just like this? Okay, let me show you.
So welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make your own animation video using artificial intelligence. So to do that, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a ChatGPT account. Okay, to do that, go to chat.openai.com and create an account. Okay, so if you already don't have a script, you're going to use ChatGPT to create a script. Okay, so just prompt ChatGPT with whatever you want it to do, and you're going to click on enter. And as you can see, it's created me a script saying, hello everyone, I'm excited to share my upcoming video on creating captivating video animations using AI. So once ChatGPT has given you your script, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to this website, creadoai.com. Okay, I'm going to be leaving the scripts to this website in the description below, and you can just search for Creado AI on your search bar and it is going to show you the website. Okay, so click on the website's link, and here it is. As you can see, the website has opened, so you're going to create an account with Creado. Okay, so just click on login/register, create an account with your email address. Okay, verify that account and log into Creado AI. Once you're logged in, now in the main page, in the home page, you're going to locate AI text dubbing. All right, so you're going to click on that AI text dubbing option. Okay, and now you're going to select the language you want your model to be speaking in. Okay, so if you want it to speak in Chinese, Taiwan, Japan, any language at all, and then you're going to select a voice that you prefer. Okay, so in this case I'm going to choose a guy's voice. Okay, this is just for the sake of the tutorial video. And what do you want the tone of the language to be? Do you want it to be an angry tone, a sad tone, whatever? You're going to choose that option, and then you're going to paste the script in this box. Okay, so once that script is pasted, you're going to click on audition to hear what the model has to say and see if you want to make changes in the voice, or you want to increase the tone or the speed of the voice. So I'm going to play the audition now so that you can hear.
Hello everyone. I'm excited to share my upcoming video on creating captivating video animations using AI. Subscribe to my channel if you find the tutorial helpful and embark on this creative journey together. Let us.
So I'm not going to make it longer than that. You've had that. So I'm just going to select this voice. Okay, I'm just going to go with this voice. So now I'm going to click on confirm. Okay, and once you click on confirm, it is going to generate an audio file for you. Click on the download icon to download the audio file. So now that the file has been downloaded, the last website we're going to visit is the Adobe Express website. Okay, so this is the website we're going to be using to create the animation. So on your search bar again, type Adobe Express, or I'm also going to be pasting the link in the description below. You can check out the description and get the link from there. You can also download the Adobe Express application, but for the sake of this video I'm going to be using the website. Okay, because this method also works on a PC. So create an account with Adobe Express, and once that account is created, you want to locate make an animation. Okay, click on the make an animation option, and then you're going to select your anime character. All right, so now I'm going to go through a list of characters here. I'm going to go through a list of characters. Now there's so many characters. Okay, and if you do not like any of these characters, you can choose to upload yours. All right, but for me I prefer this. I'm just going to go with this cruel looking like character. All right, for the sake of the video example. And then I'm going to click on background. You can change your background. Okay, so just change your background to whatever you want it to be. So I'm going to pick this background, and you can change the size of the video, which is the aspect ratio. Okay, so for the sake of the YouTube video, I'm going to make the aspect ratio the 16 ratio now, which is for YouTube. And now to add audio file, you're going to click on upload from device, and then you're going to give Chrome access to your device. Okay, and that is it. You're going to select the audio file, and then you're going to let the video process itself. So it is going to take a while to process, but just give it the time it takes to process. Once it has been processed, you can now download the video. You can also play the video to see if there is any changes you want to make, but as for me, I'm okay with this, so I'm just going to click on the download button. All right, and that is it. The download is going to begin. So as you can see, the download has started, and From now on, you can now use your video, okay, and create as many animation as you want. But now let me play you a few examples of the animations that I've created using this Creado AI.
Hello everyone. I'm excited to share my upcoming video on creating captivating video animations using AI. Subscribe to my channel if you find the tutorial helpful and embark on this creative journey together. Let us explore the wonders of AI-powered animation and unleash our imaginations.